Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will discuss about the AWS Billing and Cost Management service, Billing and Cost Management service, and we will discuss about how you can, in Billing and Cost Management, we will discuss about how you can set up your budgets, how you can set up your budget, and how you can set up the alerts. You will receive some notifications via email. Let's suppose if your monthly budget is $20 or $30. If that budget is exceeds or crossed, then AWS service will send you the notification or alert via your email, through your email. So you have to define your budget, monthly budget or weekly budget. If that budget is crossed, then SNS, which is AWS service, will send you the notification alert through your email or your SMS service, SMS alerts. So how you can proceed this? First you have to go to the AWS Billing and Cost Management. Before going further, if you are new in my channel, just keep subscribe my channel Learn with Sheikh Wasim and press the bell icon so you will never miss any upcoming videos related to DevOps and cloud environment. So without wasting time, let's get started and proceed the video. So first you have to go to the Billing and Cost Management. This is the Billing and Cost Management service about the AWS, where you see the complete detail about your services and the costing details. So how you can set your budget? You have to go to the budget section, and then as you can see, I already have set my $1 budget, which is already exceeded. My budget is $1 and the amount I used is $6.7 used. So it exceeded, and it will generate an alert through my email, and I'll receive the email notification. So how you can perform this, and how you can set this budget? Just create the create budget button, and these are some templates option, predefined templates or customize. You go to the customize, click the customize, and cost budget, you have to recommended option, click next. Now here you mention your budget name. Let's suppose my budget name is $5 budget, okay, for my whole project or my project, okay, budget, sorry. And then it will set the monthly, it will cost you the monthly period or it's a weekly period. It's up to you guys. You are planning monthly or weekly or annually, it's up to you. You have to mention the monthly. Let's suppose I mention the monthly, start for the month of January, and the fixed amount. This should be a fixed amount. Yes, I have mention my fixed amount, and then you enter your budget. How much? What is your total budget? Let's suppose my total budget is $5, okay, $5, and then click all. It will apply on all AWS services. Yes, I say it will apply on all AWS services. Go to the next button. Now here, this is very important section. Here you mention the threshold alerts. So if the budget is exceed, or if the budget is 80%, your budget is exceed, the SNS service will generate the alert through your email, and you will receive an alert notification email from AWS budgeting site, where you will see that your budget is 80% is exceed. So how you can set the alerts? Click the alert threshold, and here you mention the threshold. Let's suppose my budget, if the budget is exceed 80% from the $5, I have set total $5 budget, and the total $5 budget, if my budget is exceed 80%, and then it will fire the trigger. Trigger means it will generate alert notification, and that notification will receive through my email. Let's suppose I mention my email 66@hotmail.com, or further is another whatever. So as you can see, this alert option will give you the if the budget is exceed 80%, you will receive the notification threshold alert that your budget is 80% exceeded, and you will receive the notification. So keep or whatever you want. If you want to increase the budget, it's up to you, or if you want to decrease the budget, it's up to you. So you have to mention the monthly budget or weekly budgets, guys. So another SNS alert. SNS alert is another service. You will receive the SNS upfront cost. It's basically a paid service, so it's optional. You don't need to subscribe it. Okay, and this is a chatbot alert. Also receive the chatbot alert. So just mention the threshold alert and your email address, and good to go. Click next button. My budget alert is okay. Just review, go and review. So you can review it. My review is, my budget name is $5 USD budget starting from the 24th of January, and my total budget is $5 in monthly. In monthly, if my budget exceed $5 or $4, it will generate the threshold alert. So this is the threshold alert type. If the budget exceeds this 80%, it will give me the alert via through my email. This is overview, review, and then just create the budget, your budget settings. So I've created. Okay, as you can see, the budget has been created. I mentioned my total budget. If the budget is exceed, it will give me the notification. This is how you can set the budgets and alerts. Okay guys, so in next video we will discuss about the remaining services, about the further services about the billing and cost management. So stay tuned, keep subscribe my channel Learn with Sheikh Wasim, so you never miss any upcoming videos related to AWS and DevOps environment. So stay tuned till the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.